Hello and welcome back to yet another how-to video, and this time it's on Ford Focus Mk35, and we're gonna show how to remove the mirror, right mirror, and the door. So it's gonna be 2 for 1 in this one. So let's start with the mirror. If you want that, you have to remove this here, and as you can see it's kind of cold, so not maybe the best day to do this, but what can I say, I have time right now, so yeah. So as you can see here, this one, and there is another one down there. I usually just unclip them, they don't break that easy, so you don't need to be that scared. Maybe use the plastic trim just in case, but let me show you. So once, this is the way to do it. So you need to unclip like this. So after you've done that, I basically leave this one always here hanging. We have this wiring over here, so you take that one out. So this is the wiring for everything. You have here one screw, another one is over here, and third one, you need to take this plastic out. So you take that plastic out, this, and then there is another, that's the third screw. Basically these are 25, I believe. These are the 25 Torx, so it's easy just to unscrew them. That's one, that's two, and third one is kind of a little bit inside. I don't know if you're gonna see it. So the third one is a little bit inside. You take those three out, and then all you have to do is just, basically pull it out like this, and then you can see everything that's holding it into place. So yeah, that's about that. And this one is basic, does not have anything. Only thing that you have on the right mirror is this sensor for the outer temperature, so that's one tricky. So next up, after you're done with that, I usually put this back so it does not come in the way. So let me make that. So for the door, it's a little bit tricky, nothing overly too fancy, but still you will need 10. It's kind of usual easier with hand to take these out. So you need to take this one, the 10, and here another 10. So unscrew these two. This kind of strongly in. So after you take it out, then rest goes with the hand. So it's not that hard. But starting, because they are kind of long. But okay, these are holding the door in place, so it should be. There should be strong. So these two, when you finish those two, don't want to lose anything. Now the tricky part is the electricity. So take a screwdriver. So as you can see here, there are like this. So you need to put inside of these prepared ones. So, and on the downside, I don't know if you're gonna see, it's kind of hard to show. So underside again there is already place where to put. So yeah, like this. So when you put inside, and there is down is 1, up are 2. So I don't know if you're gonna see, but there are 2 on the upper side and 1 on the underneath. So you need to click all 3. You need to click all 3 to take it out. So once you take out both of those, all 3, I mean, you should be able to move it outside. It's easier if you are 2 of you than with just 1 guy, but yeah, next up you need to unscrew this one. So, and I always leave this for last because this one takes out the, it's kind of strong. Now next up you can take the door up. It's gonna be a lot easier with 2 hands. So let me take the door. It's just pull up the door. You just need to pull up because these hinges, as you can see, this one is down and this one is up. So yeah, after that you just need to unplug the electricity, but it's easier when you take the door out. It's gonna be hard with 1 hand. So once you take out the door, you just click here and it should come out rather easy. There are 2 electricities that you need to unplug. Again, easier with 1 hand, with 2 hands than 1. So once you unplug it, it's easy to plug in, plug out, so that's nothing overly too special. So yeah, those come out. If you really need to replace these, this one is not that bad because they are here 2 screws, but this one is kind of harder because 1 screw is on this side and other screw is from the inside, and to get to the inside, it's a bit of work. But that's about that. Next up we're gonna make how to remove the wing, but the doors are out. So yeah, that's about that. I hope this helps. Probably you won't change your door alone, but you never know. If this did help, yeah, don't forget to smash subscribe button, like the video, share if you need, and yeah, thank you for watching and see you guys in next one. So we're gonna continue more videos this year. So yeah, see ya.